Want to make your analysis faster? Try using these buttons. The default track maps for Race Studio 3 come up with segments based on the change of g-forces. On many tracks, that can create a lot of segments. A very fast way to be able to correct this is to go to the Track Segments button, and you can pick 2, 3, 4, or 5 track segments automatically with one click. This brings you into an analysis where the segments are much more powerful and more likely in the way that you could drive the track. You still have the full ability to right-click, unlock your segments, and change them as you wish. The next button that's very helpful is the Laps button. With the click of one button, you can click your best lap, your best 3, your best 5, or you can pick a series of segments. So you can pick it based on your best segment or your first 3, first 5, last 3, last 5 laps. A very fast way to pare through your data and drill down to the information that you really want that helps you get better.